Hey guys, it's day 7 in Cebu. For our last adventure, we're heading to Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. This time, we decided to do it DIY, no tour and no private car. We thought taking the bus would save us money, but it ended up being a lot harder than we expected. We found this DIY route from a travel guide online. You can take a bus from Cebu City to Carmen, then take a van to Cebu Safari. The trip should have taken around an hour and a half, but Cebu traffic really slowed us down. And when we finally arrived in Carmen, we found out something the guide didn't mention. The 150 pesos van fare only works if there are enough passengers to share the ride. And because we arrived late, there was nobody else waiting. As soon as we got to Carmen, some motorcycle drivers offered to take us to Cebu Safari for 300 pesos. But Justin wasn't comfortable riding a motorcycle, so we went with the van instead. Since there were no other passengers to share the ride with, we had to pay 1,500 pesos for the van, and that's only one way. From Carmen, it was still about a 20-minute ride going into Cebu Safari, but we finally made it. Once we arrived, we paid 700 pesos each for the animals attractions and the tour. And guys, this place is huge. Thankfully, they have rides that take you to the different areas, so you don't have to walk the entire park. Then, we started exploring the park, and guys, there were so many animals to see. Some of them were way closer than we expected.
Smallest antelope that we have here in African Savanna.
And honestly, this was my first time seeing most of these animals in person, so I was really excited. It felt so much different from Cebu Ocean Park because here, we were seeing all kinds of land animals, especially getting to see some of them this close.
If he looks at you funny, he's gonna spit on you.
We're so close.
Never seen a donkey before. I've seen it in videos. Can you zoom it in? Zoom it in.
Yeah, we're thirsty too. Wanna share?
Then, we made our way to the bridge show, and this is actually where we ended up spending quite a bit of time. It was already getting late, and we haven't even had lunch yet.
No, it's not. La la la. La la la. I get. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. My partner here is our winners of here, Mr. James, Miss Donna, Mr. Charles, and and Miss Rachel. And again, yours truly, once again, my name is KJ. And to make this even, represent here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Once again, yours truly, once again, my name is KJ. Saying and thank you so much, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the
We also got to feed the blue and yellow macaws, and guys, they were huge. There were so many of them, and they were so used to being around people that we could get really close without them flying away.
Ah, it's just a camera.
And guys, there were actually so many more animals that we would love to show you, but this is pretty much all the footage I was able to get.
Jum Jum, it's a capybara. We're gonna see the kangaroo overlooking.
And then there were the lovebirds. They literally started hopping all over Justin, even on his head. It was so cute seeing so many of them around us, and you could hear all the different sounds of the birds everywhere.
Oh, they're kissing. Let's start it. Oh, wala. Ah! Ah! Take off your hat. Take off your hat.
It's alright.
Ooh. Oh! Oh, I thought there's two of them now. Oh, the balls on me!
Well, I hope not.
Ooh, there's two. Oh, there's three. Why? Ow. Ah. Hey, buddy, I don't have food. Come here, buddy, come here. Ah. Ah, ah, ah.
Bend down. You want to go on, bend down.
Excuse me. Hello. Oh, look at this. Mamma mia. Cappuccina. Me. You're in a fashion? You're into fashion? I like your hair.
After with the birds, I started feeling nauseous, so we decided to head back. But when we got to the entrance, the guard told us that the van rentals had already left. We had no choice but to take a motorcycle back to the highway because I definitely didn't want us to pay another 1,500 for the van. We waited and waited for the bus, but everything was packed because of rush hour. Eventually, we found a multi-cab that took us far as Danao. By then, it was already around 6:30 p.m. I was really hungry and started to feel even worse. Someone told us to head back to the bus terminal, and thankfully, we found a bus going straight to the IT park. It's also close to where we stayed at. We're gonna go back to the terminal. Okay guys, so it's 6:42 p.m. Yeah, we're still in the now compartment of the terminal so that we can ride a bus to that city. And there it is. Excuse me, sir. IT park.
Ito kita ka ma'am, no? Ipar ko ba?
After a long trip, we finally made it back. We grabbed some dinner and went straight to our room. Unfortunately, I felt even worse and ended up throwing up. Definitely not how I expected our last day here in Cebu. After our experience, I definitely recommend renting a car to Cebu Safari. Getting back to the city was really stressful. But no more Cebu traffic for us because tomorrow, we're heading to Bohol! So stay tuned for our next adventure. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!